everyone! Welcome back to ToolTalk Pro. Today we're diving into the history of one of the simplest yet most essential tools in the world, the screwdriver. You might think it's just for driving screws, but trust me, this tool has a fascinating story.
From medieval armor to modern electronics, the screwdriver has been holding things together, literally, for centuries. Let's find out where it all began.
The earliest known screwdrivers appeared in late 15th century Europe, most likely in France or Germany. Back then, they were called turn screws.
Yep, that's not a typo. Turn screw. It wasn't just a tool, it was the name. Pretty straightforward, right?
These early screwdrivers were used to tighten screws on armor and crossbows, tools and weapons that required precise, secure fastening. The screwdriver wasn't really invented by one person, but its development is closely tied to the invention of the screw itself.
And for that, we can thank Konrad Kaiser, a German military engineer who described screw-like mechanisms in his book Bellefortis around 1405. But the real game changer came later.
The modern concept of the screw and screwdriver took off thanks to Leonardo da Vinci, who sketched screw-cutting machines in the late 15th century, though they weren't built in his time.
So what made screws and screwdrivers necessary? Two things: armor and machines. As armor became more articulated and machines more complex, fasteners that could be tightened and removed easily became essential.
Before screws, people used nails, rivets, and pins, but those were either permanent or very tricky to manage. Screws offered strength and reusability.
The Industrial Revolution. In the 18th and 19th centuries, took everything to the next level. As factories and machines became more advanced, screws became standard in manufacturing.
In 1797, English engineer Henry Maudslay built the first screw-cutting lathe, allowing for standardized screw threads. That meant screwdrivers had to evolve too, from handmade tools to more precise and durable designs.
Then in the early 20th century, things got even more interesting.
In 1908, Canadian inventor P.L. Robertson patented the square socket screwdriver, known today as the Robertson drive. It allowed screws to stay on the tip of the driver without falling off. Genius!
Then came Henry F. Phillips, who patented the Phillips head screwdriver in the 1930s. Its cross-shaped design allowed for better alignment and torque, perfect for mass production.
And guess what? General Motors adopted Phillips screws for their assembly lines, which made the design explode in popularity.
Fast forward to the modern age, and we've got electric and cordless power screwdrivers, torque-controlled drivers, even digital smart drivers.
And they're everywhere. Electronics, furniture, vehicles, construction, aerospace, you name it. The screwdriver has evolved from a medieval necessity to a precision tool in every toolbox.
Fun facts about screwdrivers. There are over 10 types of screwdriver tips: flathead, Phillips, Torx, Positive, hex, and more. The word screwdriver was first used in English in 1800. NASA uses custom magnetic screwdrivers for spacecraft assembly.
And despite all the tech, sometimes nothing beats a good old manual screwdriver. Simple, silent, and always ready to go. So the next time you pick up a screwdriver, remember, you're holding a tool that's been evolving for over 500 years.
From armor plates to space stations, screwdrivers have helped shape the modern world. Not bad for such a simple-looking tool.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next deep dive right here on ToolTalk Pro.
And if you're curious about the tools we used, just hit the link in the description.
Thanks for watching, and keep turning forward.